What's up? Papa up in the house, and I'm gonna check out this next video with you guys. Yeah, man.
Run this, we run this, we run this, we run this.
Hit you on the top of your head.
I love it.
Nah, then it's fine with me. Just know this movement is vivid enough for the blind to see. Yeah.
That sounds good.
Yeah, thanks, man.
That sounds good. Yeah, no.
Good deal, man.
Oh yeah.
I'm happy with it, like for sure.
That sounds great. It really does.
Yeah, appreciate that, man.
What's your subsonic set to on the amp?
0.
Gotcha.
Yeah, man. So what y'all think about that video? What y'all think about the new format for a couple of videos? Yeah, so I don't have my subsonic filter set on my amps. I think I'm gonna try to do that in the next build and everything to see how that makes a difference on con control. That was mentioned in the video from Drew Jones there. He actually designed the box for me, said it sounds good. Another testimonial there, guys. TB does get down. You understand? So, hey, yeah, guys, appreciate you guys coming in, checking out the videos. Make sure you, on your way out, to hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button. Go through and check out my catalog of videos. Great content in there for you guys. There's learning content and also entertainment. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.